अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, मैं हूं अब्दुल-याज़। आइए देखते हैं आज का खबरनामा। बंजारा हिल्स पेविलियन ताज डेक्कन होटल में आज इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे मनाया गया है। इस मौके पर गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर मुजाहिद मोहिउद्दीन कादरी, उस्मानिया मेडिकल कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल शहीकला रेड्डी और दूसरे मौजूद थे। आइए देखते हैं ये रिपोर्ट।
Madam, this side, you have to convert.
Shachikala madam.
Now I request Venugopal Chari sir to share few words.
Somebody, at least
Me చెప్పండి sir.
happy birthday to all. It's and as
So few words from your side.
Everyone, don't scare off my voice because I have huge bass, first of all, and the room is very small. And my dear sister, you are not alone. Your brother is there. You said you are alone. Right. You are not alone. Your brother is there. Mujahid Marjan Khudri. And I have seen one more sister said feminist. Sister, I'm absolutely feminist. I am 11th one in my family. I have 5 brothers and 5 sisters. And my niece is equivalent to my age. And trust me, without woman, man is nothing. Yesterday, I posted one voice note to Sister Anita. Being a man, respect woman. She's a power. She gives you love. And most of the people says that woman is equivalent to man. I said, no, never. She is more than a man. She is more than a man. Most of the intellectuals, leaders, or even prophet, they born from the mother itself. Even in every books, you can see Quran, Bible, or Vedas, the heaven lies beneath the feet of mother. Whose mother? Woman is the mother. The heaven doesn't lie in the feet of father. The heaven lies beneath the feet of mother. Mother is a woman. And today, I'm sorry to say this, I cannot say that it's Happy Women's Day. Because today the scenario what we have seen in the harassment of girls or daughters or sisters. Recently, one girl died at Ahmedabad. And I don't blame any society, I blame myself. I'm accountable. There's a difference between responsibility and accountability. Responsibility can be shared, accountability cannot be shared. I'm accountable because I'm unable to save that girl. I'm unable to save a daughter. I'm unable to save a sister. The way we are, because I'm also father of a daughter. I blessed with twins, one son, one daughter. So I always prefer to give equal rights to both son and daughter. And I give much more time to my family. Trust me, I'm a good chef. Once in a week, I cook for my kids. The most of the people says, "Arey to biwi ka ghulam hai yaar, joru ke liye pakata hai." But I kill it. I cook for my kids. Even I cook for my wife also. That's not wrong. So the problem is why I have taken the name of Aisha, that lady who died. We are unable to reach them to show what power she has got. Finding out the ability of a person, according to his ability, your assigned the task is called people management. One of my sisters said recently, I think she's police officer, she inspired me a lot. I respect RTO. So I salute sister. I salute the dynamic people like you. So first of all, we have to, 33% reservation, that's okay. But we have to teach our children. We forgot our culture. We adopted Western culture. Trust me, we have to follow Indian culture, respect women, being a man. You read Vedas, you read Quran. Let me read your Vedas, you read my Quran. Trust me, we respect each and everyone. We forgot, and we are spending much more time. I'm sorry, sisters. Although I'm a certified beautician from L'Oreal, it was 2005 project of mine, Femi9, F-E-M-I digit 9. I designed logo in the 9th is a female. Unfortunately, I could not make it. So spending much more time in parlor or in front of TV, do some exercises. Self-defense is your weapon. And do not think that you are lower than a man. Never ever think that you are more than a man, because you are the power. Today I'm here with a huge bass voice given by God through my mother. I'm zero without my mother. I'm zero, I'm nothing. Because the only one, it's my humble request to every sister, every daughter, do not think that you are inferior. You are superior than man. You are superior than man. And thank you so much for giving me such a great opportunity by Anita Madam and our Dr. Shashikala Garu, and especially in this pandemic situation. Lots of people work a lot, including our sister Maria also. Many people in Corona, they work a lot. And once again, I'm forcefully saying that happy Women's Day. Be accountable, not responsible. Please be accountable, teach your children you are not less than a man, you are more than a man. Intentionally or unintentionally, if I hurt any woman, either in my friends, or in my family members, or in my relatives, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. And I lost my mom at the age of 25. I know what is the pain of a mother. So please forgive me, my dear sisters, my dear mothers. May God bless you all. Thank you. Disha encounter, our sister asked one very good question. After Disha encounter, somebody have given the PAL or NHRC. Even I have got many complaints against Yashoda Hospital in NHRC about 29 lakhs bill about Shweta Reddy. I am the one behind that. So I don't know who approached in that case, but it has to happen, sir. The people who make mistake, who make crime, who make such a big crime, rape is a big crime, sir. It's the biggest crime, not big. If I do not respect any girl, any woman, it means I'm not respecting my mother. I'm not respecting my sister. And the people who are doing this, they are not human beings. They are not at all human beings. And this act should come. Strictly, I don't know whether it comes or not, but according to me, if someone who makes such crime, he should be shot. Then and there itself. Even whoever it is, belongs to which community, belongs to which political party, belongs to which caste, creed, never think about it. Shoot aside. That's what I believe. That's the reason why my parents kept my name Mujahid, means the holy soldier. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Femi9, F-E-M-I digit 9. In the 9 you can see the lady. It is, in fact, it is registered, trademark registered. Do not try to copy. It's my goal. It is my dream to start a cosmetic stores with a Gamma consultancy for the complete woman care. Complete woman care. I was about to start in 2005. Due to some issues I could not, but in future I'm sure I'll start. F-E-M-I digit 9. You can see the 9, female in the 9. Thank you so much once again. God bless you.
I'm Dr. Shashikala Reddy, Dean of Osmania Medical College. We have gathered here today in Taj Deccan to commiserate, to meet all other wonderful women, wonderful strong women, and some of the men who are supporting us. And these men, all are men who have supported all our lives. I wish them also a happy Women's Day, and I wish all our women a happy Women's Day, and to pledge today to support each other, to encourage each other, and inspire each other to make their lives a success. Thank you.
Hello everyone, a very happy Women's Day. This is Maria Tavasam, and today I just want to tell you that we are always there for each other, whether it is men or women. We are always there for each other, and particularly women. The men and women all have to give an extra hand, extra support to the women. So that is, I think that is the message for today, that even though men and women are equal, but biologically we are different, and nature has made us like that. And men have, maybe men have been given more physical strength to protect women, not to take advantage of women. So that with that note, I want to just thank all the men in my life and also women in my life who have made me what I am. And I hope that every woman gets such kind of support from all the members in her family, in her community. Thank you so much. Everyone, a very happy Women's Day. And after listening to such great speakers and such accomplished people, I'm actually speechless today. But I have to speak something. So, thank you for calling me here first of all, and giving us all the opportunity to meet such strong women and also strong men. I think these men are stronger who encourage the women. Feminism is more about understanding that women need some extra help from the men. They need some extra push from the men, some extra support from the men. So all these men who are truly feminist, who support the women, like Mujahid Bhai, who was insisting on me to come here today. Thank you so much to all the feminists, not only women but men. We need more men to be feminists to help us. And I have my father, who's the founder of Medina and Global Group of Institutions, and my father passed away recently. I think he was the main person behind my success also in my life, because he always treated me equal to my brothers. Even though I have 3 brothers, he treated me equally and he gave me equal opportunities. And I'm also heading a group of institutions now along with my brothers. So these kind of men, these brothers, these husbands, these sons are needed more in the world today. And it is very unfortunate that we are seeing a greater number of suicides these days. I'm also part of an NGO. I'm treasurer of an NGO, Access Foundation. So we have been seeing due to the economic crisis and all, there are more number of suicides and all. So one lady I know also, she committed suicide recently. So it was really shocking that how this such kind of pandemics, and these are the testing times. So it is time for humanity to hold each other's hand and lift each other up, and particularly such women who are getting affected very badly due to lockdowns and all. A lot of household problems have increased. So it is time to reach out to such women. Maybe they are our colleagues, maybe they are our employees, they are working under us, they are students, there are young girls who are facing problems. And also due to dowry harassment, a lot of women are committing suicides. So we all have to look around us, and maybe they are not speaking out. So just talk to people, talk to women whom you feel will need your help, and support them. With these few words, I conclude. Thank you so much once again.
जर्मनटन हॉस्पिटल ऑर्थोपेडिक से मुताल्लिक हर मरीज यहाँ शिफायाब। बैनुल-अक़वामी शोहरत याफ्ता और इनाम याफ्ता डॉक्टर मीर जवाद जार खान, सीनियर ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन, एडवांस ऑपरेशन थिएटर, ICU, डिजिटल एक्सरे, लेबोरेटरी, फिजियोथेरेपी, फार्मेसी, शेयरिंग और प्राइवेट रूम्स, लेडी डॉक्टर्स और डॉक्टर अर्जुमन सुल्ताना गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट की खिदमात हासिल। वाजिबी फीस और मुकम्मल सहूलियात से हजारों मुतमईन। एम्बुलेंस से आरास्ता जर्मनटन ऑर्थोपेडिक हॉस्पिटल, पिलर नंबर 150, अतापुर, हैदराबाद।
खबर है शहर की, खबर है गाँव की, खबर है सारी दुनिया की। 7H न्यूज पसंद आए तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले। 7H न्यूज।